Hi, hello and welcome to Airdropclaim channel. In this video, I will show you how to claim YLDSwap airdrop. So let's see about YLDSwap project. YLDSwap is an automated market maker that allows token to be exchanged in Binance Smart Chain, and it's a decentralized exchange that's running in Binance Smart Chain. That being said, let's see how to claim YLDSwap airdrop. To claim the YLDSwap airdrop, click the link that is given in the description that will take you to the airdropclaim.in website. Now scroll down, you can see the airdrop verification details. The airdropclaim team verified the technology, idea and scope of the YLDSwap project. Now scroll down, the steps to claim this airdrop is given and also some required tools are given. It's a Twitter account, Telegram account, Medium and Binance Smart Chain address. We can claim the airdrop by using these steps in this website and also using airdrop bot. I will show you how to claim the airdrop by using airdrop bot. Click the airdrop bot option that is in the first step. It will take you to the Telegram bot page. Now click the start option. After that you can see the airdrop details. If you need, you can read it. Now scroll down and click the join airdrop option. Now you have to verify the captcha. So I have a captcha, so it's an GA and WK. I am typing GA WK and now I send it. So the mandatory task to claim the airdrop is given. So there are two mandatory tasks and one optional task. So the first task is to join the Telegram group and Telegram channel of YLDSwap. So click the chat option to join the Telegram group and click the channel option to join the Telegram channel. Now the first task is completed. The second task is to follow the Twitter page and to retweet the pinned post. So now click the Twitter option to open Twitter. So now scroll down, there will be a follow option. Click the follow option to follow this page. Now scroll down, there will be a pinned tweet. Now click the retweet option to retweet this pinned post. Once you completed the retweet option, go back to the airdrop bot page. Now the two mandatory tasks are completed. The another one is an optional task. If you need, you can complete. Otherwise, click the submit my details option. Now the airdrop bot asks that if you joined the Telegram group and channel. If you join, click the done option. So the next step is to submit your Twitter profile link. So copy the Twitter profile link from the Twitter and paste here. So now the third task is, if you completed the optional task, you can enter your Medium profile link. Otherwise you can skip the task by clicking the skip option. So now you have to enter your Web20 address. Copy the Web20 address from test wallet and paste here. Once you completed, send it. So they send you a thank you and your referral link is ready. You can use this referral link to earn more yield tokens. And now the steps to claim the airdrop is completed and we are at the end of the video. It's the time to see the distribution details of this airdrop. If you need the distribution details, you have to join the airdropclaim.in official Telegram channel. For this, you have to open the website and scroll down to the end. There will be a Telegram symbol. Click the Telegram symbol. It will redirect you to the Telegram page. You can join the Telegram page by clicking the join option. In this Telegram channel, they are posting about airdrops, airdrop details, faucet details and also distribution details of the airdrop. Join this Telegram channel to earn more cryptocurrency. And then if you like this video, put a thumbs up. We are posting tutorials about airdrops almost every day. Please subscribe our channel and click the bell symbol. That will help us to notify you every time that we post a video about airdrop or faucet. And we meet up on tomorrow on next video. And then bye from Hari. Thanks for watching.